असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक न सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना यूं ही जय जयकार नहीं होती। कुछ किए बिना यूं ही जय जयकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कभी हार नहीं होती।
So hi guys, this is Amit and you are watching Study with Amit. So today in this session of Java ICSE class 9th and 10th, we are here with a question which is important. So watch our full video to get full knowledge. So let's start. So we have here a question. Write a menu driven program to take a number and check whether it is prime number, first prime number, second Armstrong number. So what the question says is first important. So here we have to mark that write a menu driven program. So we have to write menu driven program. Now what is menu driven program? If we say what is menu driven program, then it is not anything but switch case programs. So this means switch case. Switch case program. To take a number, we have to take input of a number and check whether it is first. If 1 is entered, so it is we have to check prime number. If 2 is entered, we have to check Armstrong number. So for this we have to write the program. So we'll start. First we'll write till here we know. Now after this what we have to do, we have to take a input from user. So we'll write SOPLN, enter a number. Now we'll write in NO is equal to SC dot next in. Till here it is clear. We have taken user input. So we have taken a number. We have taken int number. So number is entered by user here. Number. So we'll write here switch. What function he has to perform? We'll write SOPLN or 2. Enter 1 or 2 we will enter. So what we'll write? Int A is equal to SE dot next in. Input will be taken here of 1 and 2. So what we'll do, from here we start switch case. So we'll write switch A case 1. Case 1. Here it is colon. Mark it. It is colon. So case 1. So we have to check prime number. So we know for prime number what we do, we write start for loop for int I is equal to number I is equal to 1, I is equal to number I plus plus no mod I equal to 0 if number mod I is equal to 0, then C plus plus. Here int C is equal to 0. So after this what we do, till here it is clear, C will increase. So after this C plus plus, we have closed this, closed the for loop. So after this what we will do, we will write if C is equal to 2, if C is equal to 2, then SOPLN prime number, else SOPLN not a prime number or composite number. We'll write this. After this, what we do, we'll close this case 1. We have closed this one here we have closed, and after this what we'll do, we'll write here case 2. Copy down till here. Copy down. So we write here case 2. So in case 2, what we have to check? We have to check that whether the number input is Armstrong number or not. So case 2, inside switch, this is case 2. So we'll write number is entered by the user, and A will be, if A is equal to 2, then Armstrong number. So we'll write for int I is equal to number I is more than 0, I is equal to I by 10. So after this what we will do, as we know, we will do int D is equal to I mod 10. Int D is equal to I mod 10, and one variable we will take here, int sum is equal to 0. We will take here one variable sum is equal to 0, and we will write sum is equal to sum plus mat.pow T, 3. D, 3. We'll close this and we'll check here if number entered is equal to sum, then SOPLN Armstrong number, else SOPLN not an Armstrong number. First we'll close this else. After this we'll close this case 2. After this we'll close switch, and we have opened one bracket above, so we'll close this and one more. So this is our final program. First it will check prime number. We have done this before also, but separately. But in switch case, this type of sums are asked generally in exams. So this is very important, as menu driven is the chances are more to be asked like this because 15 marks means, so it will not be easily given to students. So two programs are combined together and given to the students to solve. So this was the program for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.